Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. If you've been waiting, maybe even itching to get your hands on the Insta360 new Antigravity A1 drone, well, the countdown officially began. The company just dropped a pretty bold teaser confirming the first ever 360 drone will launch December 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, that's almost 2 months earlier than everyone was originally expecting in January of 2026. And when a release date suddenly moves forward instead of back, you know something strategic is most likely happening. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The price, still totally locked down. They actually teased it as XXX locked, which is either marketing genius or torture, depending how patient you actually are. We also still don't know if they'll offer bundles like fly more kits or accessories right out of the gate. But launching in December instead of waiting until January feels pretty deliberate. Almost like Antigravity is trying to grab the spotlight before DJI steps into the arena with their own 360 drone. And if you want to be one of the first people to actually own an A1, there's a giveaway that they're currently running. Super simple to enter. You just follow them on their former Twitter account, at Antigravity_HQ. Then comment on their post, again on X, and tell them what excites you most about this new up-and-coming A1 drone. Just make sure you do it before 11 p.m. Central European Time on December 3rd, 2025, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Time here in the U.S. where I am. Winners get announced December 6th, so good luck if you decide to enter. So what's actually making this A1 such a big deal? This isn't just another drone with a 360 camera strapped or slapped on the top of it. Now let me break this down for you with the highlights. True 8K 360 video capture, dual lenses top to bottom, similar to the Insta360 action cams. You're recording everything around you with no dead spots. Invisible drone effect, which the stitching hides the drone itself, so the footage basically feels like a floating camera in midair. Should be super clean. Then you have 249 grams, just under 250 gram limit, which means basically casual flyers in many countries like the US may skip the heavier registration requirements. It comes with a grip motion controller and vision goggles. So instead of sticks, you're literally moving your hands to fly and looking around the world in real time. Now, everything suggests one goal: creative freedom without worrying about your framing for the specific, perfect shot while you're flying. You capture it all, then you edit it later in post. Now, of course, anti-gravity news doesn't just drop in a vacuum. Right behind them is DJI's rumored Avata 360. If leaks turn out to be true, DJI is aiming straight at the same market, and everyone knows when DJI moves, the industry moves and listens as well. Now, launching early makes sense. Antigravity wants to be the first in that market space. If they hook creators now, especially those hungry for 360 aerial footage, they might lock in the crowd before DJI has a chance to strike first. But here's how I see the split if both of the drones do deliver. You have cinematic and VR creators will lean toward the Antigravity A1. I think FPV pilots and action-focused flyers will probably lean more in the DJI direction. And on a quick side note, if you're in the US, don't expect to easily buy the Avata 360 whenever it does actually launch. I've already covered this in several previous videos, so I won't re-explain it here. But if you're curious, you can check out a previous video that I did up here somewhere in the corner. That'll fill you in on that as well. Now, all right, that's the update. The Antigravity A1 is coming sooner than expected. Specs are looking promising, and the 360 drone war might be heating up sooner than anyone really thought. Now, I'm not going to tell you which of these drones is best for you. I'm reserving my final thoughts until I see both of these drones in actual side-by-side comparisons. Again, leaks and rumors are great, but nothing's guaranteed until the final products arrive and people like you and I have a chance to test them and look at the footage for ourselves. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want more drone updates like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.